You have been told to post longer videos and create more videos to hit your 4,000 watch hours. It's not by posting longer videos or posting more videos or even creating consistently that can get you 4,000 watch hours. If you are struggling to get your 4,000 watch hours, in this video I'm going to share smart strategies that most creators are using to hit their 4,000 watch hours. I want you to follow this video from beginning to the end, because if you miss any step, you might not be able to get the whole strategies complete. There has been kind of misunderstanding or a debate that people said you cannot get your 4,000 watch hours with few videos on your channel. Some people say you cannot get your 4,000 watch hours without live stream. A lot of people have said many things concerning how to get your 4,000 watch hours. I'm going to show you the smartest way to get your 4,000 watch hours. I'm Shavera, and in this channel I teach new creators, small creators, how to grow, monetize, the do's and don'ts they need to avoid here on YouTube. So if that sounds like what you want, hit that subscribe button. Let's get straight to the video. Let's take for example, uploading video every day on your channel cannot get you 4,000 watch hours, not by creating many videos. One thing you should understand is that YouTube does not care how many videos you upload each day. What matters is the video that are able to keep people watching, video that people watch from start to finish. Now let's see, for example, if group A creates 30 videos per month, which means it's creating video every day, and these videos are like from 10 to 15 minutes, and these 10 to 15 minutes people struggle to watch even a minute of that video. This group B creates 10 videos for 30 days, and these 10 videos are valuable and interesting, and people watch this video from start to finish. At the end of the day, who do you think that will be able to hit this 4,000 watch hour? Of course, it's the group B. Because what matters is not the number of video you bring out here on YouTube. What matters is how are your video able to steal people's attention to watch your video from start to finish. Bringing up plenty videos on YouTube is not really the solution. Even if you upload like 500, 1,000, 300 videos on your channel, if those videos are not able to capture people's attention to watch your video, it's not still going to make any sense at all. So instead of uploading videos every day, you can cool down and create a reasonable videos on your channel that can get you 4,000 watch hours. You don't need much videos to get your 4,000 watch hours, and I'll prove that to you in this video. Now the second one is uploading longer videos. A lot of people go ahead and still upload like 1 hour, 30 minutes, 20 minutes, 15-minute videos. Uploading longer videos alone cannot help you get your 4,000 watch hours. When I was still looking for how to get my 4,000 watch hours, I used to drag videos, like video that's supposed to be like 5 minutes. I would drag it and make it to 15 to 10 minutes. And the more I drag these videos, the more this video lose value, because some things that are not supposed to be there at all, I keep adding it up, try to spice it and try to make something that is nothing to become something. And at the end of the day, this video will not get you anywhere, because the more you drag a particular story too long, it becomes meaningless. Let's say these two people create content. This one creates, group A creates a very valuable content. Let's say 10-minute video, and this 10 minutes video we are able to capture people's attention. People stay on this video. This very 10 minutes steal people's attention, that people watch this video 1 to 5 minutes. And this group creates 1 hour, 30 minutes, or even 20 minutes video. And this video, people manage to watch a minute of that video. Now let's calculate it. If this group A, people watch the video 5 minutes. Let's say this video got 30,000 views. 5 minutes times 30,000 is 150,000 minutes. Then when you turn it to watch hours on YouTube, is 2,500 watch hours on YouTube. So you see, you don't need longer video to get watch hours. All you need is few semi-viral videos to get your watch hours. One viral video can give you that 4,000 watch hours. Okay, let's not talk even about viral video. 3 semi-viral videos can give you this 4,000 watch hour. You can hit this milestone with 2 videos or 3 videos. So you don't need too much longer videos. So instead of gathering your strength, your momentum to create very long video, use it to create 1 or 2 valuable video, interesting video that keep people watching. That 4,000 watch hour, you will get it in no time if you create a very quality video. Not YouTube does not care how long your video is. What YouTube cares is that how long were your video able to keep people watching. Duration is what matters. Even when you have hit your monetization, you still need people to stay on your platform for you to be able to make more money, because the more people watch your video, the more you make more money on your channel. You don't need too much long video. All you need is a captivating video to get people watching your video. Another one is watch time per person. One person can get you 10 minutes your video. Let's say you create 15-minute video or you create 10-minute video. You don't need plenty people to watch your video. What you need is quality video to capture quality people to watch your video from start to finish. So making video for virality, making video to go viral, basing your growth on viral sometimes becomes a problem. You end up creating content that gets click without being watched. So you create content that attract people to watch from beginning to the end, and that is what really matters on YouTube. Not how many people that click on your video, but it's how many people that click your video and watch your video from start to finish. That is what you need on your channel. Not long form video, not plenty videos, or not video for everyone. The first 30 seconds of your video matters so much. Before you start your video, one thing you should ask yourself is that, can this video be able to steal somebody's attention to stay and watch my video? And what determines or decide this is the first 30 seconds of that video. Now, let's say there is a viral trend on how to bake cake, chocolate cake. Now, let's say these two, group A, come out and said, okay, hello guys, my name is so person, I live in so area, I do this so things, so I'm going to show you so things. And group B come out and said, hello guys, have you heard about this chocolate cake? I tested this chocolate cake, it was awesome. I baked this chocolate cake, and in this video I'm going to show you how to bake this chocolate cake for your family. Be honest with me. Who do you think you can give attention to watch? Obviously, it's the group B. Is this person that come out with the correct solutions and problem. Whenever you want to start your video, don't start with greeting. Go straight to the point. Hit the point. Start your video with curiosities and problem. See, one thing you should understand is to tell people, as long as you are still below 10,000, 20,000 subscribers, don't even bother to introducing yourself, because many people are not interested in your introduction. What they are interested is the value they are about to get on your video, and that is what matters. So if you want people to watch your video, you need to consider weak hook equals to low retention. Low retention equals to no growth. If your retention is too low, your video will go nowhere. YouTube will not push your video to more people. YouTube only pushes video that keep people watching, because YouTube is after people's satisfaction. Linking your videos. One thing you should understand, that smart creators link their videos. Linking your videos in the sense that you need to create what we call playlists. If you don't know how to create playlists, watch this video here. Playlist helps you to group your videos. Let's say you make video on how to get 4,000 watch hours. Every video that talk about how to make 4,000 watch hours, I will group it in a particular playlist. So when somebody is watching it, it plays like season. When the person watch this video finish, another one will pop up. When the person watch this video finish, another one will pop up. And if I create video like how to get 1,000 subscribers, I also group it in a particular group and give it name. When somebody pick any video from there, another one will pop up. And this help you to keep people in your channel steady. Another thing is adding your end screen. and card. If you don't know how to do that as well, watch this video over here and learn how to do that, so that you change all your video. It's like what we call bench watch. When somebody watch one of your videos, another of your video pop up, so that it will not be that when somebody watch your video, another person's video come up. Like what I'm telling you here, and I'm telling you to watch this video and watch that video. I'm trying to change my videos. I'm trying to keep you on my channel. I'm trying to put my videos in chain, so that when you watch my videos, you'll be able to watch another of my videos. See, you can be able to get one person to watch 3 of your videos if you guide them the right way, by putting all your videos chain, by linking all your videos. Now, as I finish this video, I will take a related video of this one. I can put the link of this video at the description of this very particular video, and also put the link of the video at the comment section. So with all these chains, help people to stay on my platform and watch my videos. Another one is your topic decide whether people watch your video or not. Your topic is what decide whether people even click on your video or not. If your topic are boring, you won't get click, and not all the topic can get click on YouTube. You can't use all the topic to get your watch hours, because some topic trending or are not in vogue, some topic are like updated. So if you use those topic, you end up not getting what you really want. So you look for topic that are trending, topic that are still in vogue, topic that people are still searching. That is why YouTube is a search engine like Google. You need to make sure that every topic you use on YouTube is searchable. It's based on search term or things people struggle with. Such kind of topic can get click on YouTube and get people watching your video. If people fail to watch your video longer, you won't be able to get your 4,000 watch hours. You don't need too much video. All you need is just 2 or 3 semi-viral video to get your watch hours on YouTube. So if you have not given this video a thumbs up, just quickly do that. Let's continue. Consistent without strategy. Uploading consistent. Some people say keep uploading. Just upload. Make sure you upload video every day. Make sure you show up every day. Yes, it's good to show up every day. Uploading consistently without strategy will always weak you. It will always reduce your momentum. It will always make you discouraged, because I feel that a lot. When you keep uploading video, after the stress of editing and everything, you upload your video and you will not still see results. So coming up here every day on YouTube, it's not really the case. The case is getting a video that can be able to steal people's attention to watch your video. What matters is the values you are bringing up. YouTube doesn't care how many times you show up. What YouTube cares is how long people were able to click, watch, and stay long on your video, interact in your video. That is what YouTube wants. Find a time that is also safe for you, so that anytime you bring up those beautiful videos, people will watch that video from start to finish. You don't hit this milestone of 4,000 watch hours by uploading videos every day, by bringing more videos, creating longer videos like 1 hour, 30 minutes video. You only hit this 4,000 watch hours by creating videos that keep people to watch more. I know you have learned 1 or 2 things from this video, so don't forget to subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up. See you when next I come. Bye bye.